Good morning, Bar.
Good morning, sunshine.
Where are we going?
To see
Come. What did you make here?
pasta.
Mmm. Da. Wow. This is how we wake up every morning, just for you to know.
We're going to pick up Adrian.
We're going to where?
Reggae muffin, and then we're going, I think, to Lime Cay, no?
Lime Cay? I don't know actually the name, but we're going to stay.
Yeah, we're going to sell and we're going to Lime Cay. Oh, people know we
Bar.
Good.
We're a bit hungry. Look at the view.
Tie off, Molly. Yeah, when you're ready.
Okay.
Every time we're getting to Lime Cay, it's not that appealing. So maybe this island is not that appealing and we need to go to another island, you know?
This is the Lime Cay.
Yeah.
Look, like the water, it looks good, yeah? But you have a lot of things inside the water.
Yeah,
and it doesn't look like reefs, like beautiful reefs. You're saying reefs, no?
Yeah. Coral.
Like, me and Bar, we came from the dead right now. Because they came from the dead
Yeah, but we've been dead and then we came back, you know?
to life. Yeah, we were really sick, both of us. Bar started it. And then I
She
got
blamed
it.
me.
Yeah, I got it from her.
Do you feel the sense of blaming? I feel it, like in my house, you know?
Yo, listen, I was like 25 hours in bed, sleeping. Terrible. Kind of dead.
And who took care of you?
Oh.
Who made you food? Like a lot of carrot in the salad?
A lot of carrots in
You
my
know what
salad.
I like? Carrots in the salad.
Look, this is the sea egg that we saw.
Continue.
Hey, you're doing spoilers! We're working now on our music. Really hard. We came to Jamaica and we wanted to extend and be in the R, but we didn't do that. Because we said we need to work on our music, you know?
Yeah.
And also it was expensive. But okay.
Continue.
No, actually the R is cheaper than Jamaica, yeah? Like just for
You have variety and stuff, you know?
yeah, you
variety
have
of
much more things and stuff, but
You should film this, you know? It's really beautiful.
yeah,
I
it
like
looks really good.
It looks endless. And look at the pelican there, and pelican there, and there,
I
and
think
there.
it's too far.
In Hebrew, it's called saknai.
Saknai.
You know, it means like it's a combination between two words in Hebrew. It's sak, it means bag.
It's because of his bank.
Yeah.
How do you call it? Bank?
The berg. I think it's
No,
beak.
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 I think B.
Yeah, beak.
I
Beak?
think, yeah.
It's big. It has like a bag,
Yeah.
you know, in his beak. That's why it's calling
Come here.
saknai in Hebrew.
Come.
So I love Hebrew. I love languages.
love Hebrew?
And I love Hebrew, yeah, because I know the roots of things, and you have a lot of it's an ancient language. So it's you have a lot of layers in the language, and I really loved it because it's deep, and as you know, I love to go deep. So
As you know.
already, you know. We are going the corals and
The
we need to
reef?
go.
Maybe.
I think it's
I
not
feel like
what
we're-
we are doing.
Maybe it's not.
I think we are.
Wait.
You know what? they are dying here. I think that a lot of people does what we are doing, and that's why they look so
No,
horrible.
it's because of the water. They don't have water.
I don't know. If they would
They need water.
if we will not ruin them, like step on them, they will be good. In a lot, you have also things that you don't have water, and then they put water.
But then no one will put here water.
That's what I'm saying. Like they are not really take care of them.
Preserve.
No, I don't understand what happened to the water because it was really different.
Yeah, it
last
was
time.
so beautiful.
That
last
I
time
was
that
here
we
in
were.
Coco Boy with Coco Boy. We did this tour. Remember?
Ah, with Coco Boy, it was beautiful.
It wasn't beautiful. It never was beautiful.
No,
for
so
me,
when
like-
we were not here, but in other islands,
it was
here
in,
in
with the
Jamaica, it was
Jonathan.
really beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
But it
the
wasn't
water
this.
were really
We weren't in
bright.
Lime Cay. Lime Cay, you can dive and see.
Look, you have here a
coral.
lot of lives.
Yeah.
Look. I don't know if you see all the fishes.
You can go closer.
Yeah, you see.
Oh, I see a It looks like he's dying. Oh, this. Someone was stabbed on him.
You should preserve Jamaica. You know your nature here.
I feel that people not treat the nature good. Look at this, for example.
Yeah, you have here a lot of
Garbage.
garbage. And it's something that in Israel you have a company that's what they are doing. Like it costs money to get into places, yeah, but they're really saving the nature. They are cleaning everywhere and making sure that no one is touching
And
these things. It's happened also in DR, you know, when we were
I have
remember?
awareness in order not to, dirty
Throw
the nature.
garbage.
I don't think we can go home.
But I saw the couple.
Yeah, but I don't want to kill the corals.
What corals? Look what's going on here. Look how dirty.
You have here a lot of corals that are dying.
So,
You know, when we were here, the water came until here.
really?
Yeah.
And it was like, what, a month?
Yeah, I
Months
didn't
ago?
see all of this. Like, it wasn't a land, it was water. Don't go.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm surprised that's
Where
the
you
thing
were.
under the sea. Look.
So ugly. I feel like I'm falling. Wait. You're too quick for me. Look at the ship. It's a Israeli company, just for you to know. I feel like every time I'm trying to show how Israel is a cool country. You should visit Israel, you know. Don't let the war stopping you.
Yeah.
Like wait few months, the war will stop, and then you should really go and travel because it's amazing. Something get into
Yeah,
my
you have amazing nature. What happened there?
something get into my shoes and it's burned.
Maybe you should
hold
wash
them.
yourself.
Hold them.
Hold them. Fuck them, gal. Smash them so. Hold them. Camera. Clean them tough. Watch them tough. Doing nice things.
I don't think it's a nice angle, you know.
Oh. Bad them.
No.
Fuck them, gal. Smash them so. Hold them, camera. Clean them tough.
No, do it for 2 years.
When we watch them. Look.
We decided, me and Bar. Now we publish our song. Don't forget to listen to the song because it's a really good song. Trauma.
And she's not
Bribe.
biased,
Yeah, it's
She's
not that
not
we
biased.
made this song, you know.
But it's really good song.
It's really good song. And I just wanted to tell you that now we are working on 3 more songs, new songs. And then we are going back to Israel because we really miss Israel. and
Yeah.
our home and life in Israel, because it's really difficult for us. I feel like me and Bar, we were sick, not
Because
of the weather, because we really miss Israel and we.
Yeah, it's something in our soul, you know. We are connected, and it's difficult those times
Yeah.
to be not in Israel and not support like them physically, because we support them spiritually, and in everything that we are doing, also the song and everything. So I feel that I really miss my people, and I want also to show you our life in Israel. You know,
Yeah, me too.
it's interesting and
It's
not
so
less than
different.
here.
Like our diet is so different.
Yeah, we are
And-
cooking amazing food. It's not only the pasta and salad, you know.
Yeah, I feel
And I
like
will
in
show you.
Jamaica you don't have a lot of ingredients in the supermarket. And it's just different life. It's not the life that we're used to in Jamaica. Like we love the nature here and the beaches and stuff, but
And the people.
and the people are really amazing. But I feel like the life.
I feel it's all about the loneliness. You
Yeah,
know?
me and Bao we spoke about it, that everyone here for himself, and it's so difficult for us.
Because it's
so
the loneliness.
different.
Like you count on yourself and that's it. And I feel
You can
that
die and
have,
no one will pay attention.
I don't
That's
have
what
my
I feel.
tribe, you know, like all the people, like in Israel, I can call to people and then be together and as a family, as a friends, and I don't know, we have communities, we have society, and in Jamaica it's so difficult, and we have friends, like we got a lot of friends here, and
Yeah,
even
we
in
got.
Chance B-Day, we invited a lot of people and they came and we were
It was really fun.
super surprised, and yeah, it was fun. It was nearly Israel, but it wasn't the same.
That's what we felt in this day, but it's not the same regards to in Israel. It's really, that's what they taught us since we were a kid, to trust on each other, to be one for each other, that if someone is suffer, everyone needs to suffer together.
Yeah.
It's like, this is how we grew up, and here I feel like everything is so different. It's like everyone for himself. You cannot count on no one. You need to if you will not help for yourself, no one will help.
And people are really nice. I love the character.
Me too.
But you have this depth in your, it's deep in the soul, in the culture, that you cannot trust people. And it's difficult to understand it, because it's not our life.
No.
So also, people, because it was Chen B-Day, people came because it's birthday, and birthday in Jamaica, it's like a big celebration. And people, you can count on people to come to B-Day. But just for fun, to hang out, it's not the same.
No. We spoke with Shanil about it, because we were in Israel for like a year now almost. And he understood that every day you have options. I mean, like, you're in the house, no way no one will come to your house. Like, literally knock on the door without telling you, and like, okay, what we are doing? You want to eat? No, let's go out, let's do that. Like, every day in Israel there is something. There is like, my parents suggest to do something, my sisters, my friends.
Sometimes it's drawn you from your goals.
Yeah.
And maybe it's like put you down because you want to achieve some stuff, and then you feel a FOMO, like fear of missing out. You are feeling like, oh, I want to be there and there because everyone suggests me to do that and that and that, but I need to focus on my goals, or I don't know. But I prefer that.
Me too.
Because I feel that this is life.
You feel alive.
Not,
Here I feel like if something will happen to me, no one will pay attention. We have like me, Bar, and Chanil, that we're three of us. Yeah, it's not that we're alone.
yeah.
But it's not. It's like I feel like that's it. Like
Yeah.
the life here is not the same, and it's something that I think this is the main thing that's difficult for us. Also the facilities, yeah, that we have, but this is the main thing that's every day something happening in Israel. Every day, like it's not a boring place.
I think because everyone are like us.
Everyone wants.
All
Even
the
with
time,
chai, even with
it's
Papa
something
was
that I don't
that.
like, for example, because sometimes you cannot enjoy from the moment. Sometimes you are in a moment, a really
thinking what to do
beautiful
next.
one, and you're thinking, okay, what we're doing next? No, be in the moment. Like you can just chill at the beach and talk with good friends, and it's a big joyful moment, and let's enjoy
I
it.
wanted to say this.
But yeah.
She's falling in love with him every time, like all the time.
Yeah,
Every
look.
day she's looking at me.
Look, she's look hot. She's look hot, I said. He's looking hot.
Help make us
Ah, it is. It is Lime Cay.
Nobody really see this sign.
It is.
To the island. And it's not so appealing. What is this called?
The island.
It's look like
Yeah.
I don't
know.
Energy for them.
Closure or closer?
Closure. How was it?
It was nice. We were on the kayak, me and Ed, and we
You're
were.
saying kayak?
I think, yeah, kayak.
Kayak.
And we just flow with the wind, and suddenly
The current was really strong, so
yeah,
we found ourselves.
and suddenly we found ourselves in Kingston. You understand? And it was really scary. We didn't know what to do with ourselves.
Yeah, right. But we couldn't shoot the video, so you just need to believe us,